Hello, welcome back. In this video I will show you GBPUSD Fx pair chart. This is this 4 hours time frame chart. Say this GBPUSD. Here the date is not visible, it is hidden. The price is also hidden because both are very important. Just observe the action of GBPUSD at magic levels. Red color lines are most important level where trend reversals, support resistances takes place at these levels only. So one has to buy at bottom and sell at top. Now this, see, from this point it has already fallen and it has given a perfect buying entry here with a 50 pips stop loss only. So if you see, there is a very good movement, more than 400, nearly 350-400 pips movement was there. Later on it has come back all the way. So if you book part and hold the balance with trailing stop loss at cost, so finally at last it has reached the next zone. The gap between this zone and this zone is nearly 500 pips. So one trade has done with 500 pips. And if you observe later, after struggle, it has given a selling opportunity, and this has fallen 250 pips. Later on bounced, so again there is a short opportunity twice. So this trade also has given 250 pips. Part booking can be done, and later on after zigzag movements, finally it has reached the downside target, so 500 pips. So there are two trades done with 500 pips. So third trade, on breaking this, it has given a selling here. It could not move much, and it has come up and there was a buying opportunity. So again it slipped down. Okay, and here there was a selling opportunity. This one too reverse. So these two trades has lost approximately 100 pips, and the third trade has given 200 pips and moved up. And later on it has given again selling chance at these levels. So this has given complete target. So we lost two trades only. So most of the times we can exit very near to cost, or we may lose 50 pips only. So if we get, even if book 50% also, that is 5 times of our stop loss. So 1:5 is the risk reward. Okay, so now if you see, all the way it has fallen and took the support and bounced approximately 100 pips. So later on it slipped down, the stop loss is gone. Buying a trade might have been exited with loss. Again short was taken, this was also exited with loss. So assume that we have lost another 100 pips. So as of now we have lost 200 pips, right? And again there is a strong buy opportunity here. It went up by 200 pips and slipped down. Okay, even if you exit at cost to cost, see, on this candle has given a very strong confirmation that that is going to slip down. In the next candle itself we can exit very close to the cost. Again later on this candle has given confirmation of buying, and longs can be done here. So this one also has given the target of 500. See, observe, this will not go straight to the target. Very rarely they move from one zone to the other zone. So on moving a certain amount of pips, they come back, they move in a range. Later on they move to the target. So that's why it is suggested to book 50% at the midpoint of this zone, and we can hold the balance with the trailing stop loss. So here perfect short, it has not moved much, and later on stop loss is gone, 50 pips loss. Again there is a buy. This has gone up by nearly 300 pips and it has come down. So part bookings can be done, and the balance can be on hold. Now finally it has reached the target. Okay, so there was a news and it has crossed the zone, and later on it has given a strong sell at this zone. So again 250 pips fall, retracement, and after moving in a range for quite some time, slowly it moved to the target of 500 pips. So it all depends upon the market movements. So when it crosses one zone, it will reach to the next zone with a high accuracy. In case of a reversal, it will give us a chance to reverse our position. So when there is a strong news or any other external factors, the movement will be very fast. Otherwise the movements will be narrow or slowly. So what we have to do is we have to look for buying at bottom, and we need to look for selling at top. This is the only thing. That's it. So this way we have lost net 250 or approximately 300 pips. We might have lost around 300 plus pips. The net profit is more than 3000 pips. If one mini is traded, the profit is 3000 USD. Right. So without much hesitation, without much pressure, and nothing to worry about news. Mostly NFP or GDP data or whatever it is, international news is, everything moves in the direction. Irrespective of the news, the pair moves from one zone to the other zone. So that way we can hold a trade with confidence. Overnight positions also we can hold without any worry. Okay, I will update few more videos shortly. Keep watching. Thank you. Good day.